Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about this mystery box from Oden's Eye. They have this super cute Easter themed box. The whole Easter theming is just on the outer packaging. The products inside are their usual already existing products, just like any other mystery box. This is only available for a very limited time. I believe that this mystery box promo ends on April 20th. The Easter mystery box has two different sizes. There's a $45 box that has at least 4 products and it has at least a $90 value. And then there's a $75 box. That one has at least 8 products and it will have at least a $170 value. You can use affiliate codes on these mystery boxes. I do have a 10% off affiliate code for the Oden's Eye website, so you can always use my code. It's just my first name, Amanda, and that will save you 10% on these mystery boxes, and they're offering free shipping on these boxes as well. So already discounted for the mystery box, plus you can use a discount code, plus you get free shipping. It's a pretty awesome deal if you're interested in this. I did film myself opening this box for the first time, so I want to show you that footage of the first time opening the box, and I'm also going to show you close-ups, swatches. We're going to do a get ready with me using a bunch of the products that came in my mystery box. Oden's Eye was kind enough to send one of their boxes over to me so that I could share it with you. So let's get to the fun part and open up this box and play with all the makeup inside. First, I want to show you the details of this box. It's so cute. I love all the little Easter bunny Easter eggs, even the little carrots and everything is just so cute. I love a cutesy moment. And you can see here, this came completely sealed. So I am seeing this for the first time on camera. I had no idea what was in here. I will let you know that it was very securely packed. You can see all the bubble wrap in there. All of my items came in perfect condition, and these do ship from overseas. For me, I'm in the US. This is a Swedish brand, and every single item was intact perfectly. I have, as you can see here, the $45 box, so I have the 4 products. I did add up the value of all 4 products in my box, and as promised, the total value exceeded $90. My box actually has a $95.60 US dollar value. I also reached out to Oden's Eye to ask them a few questions about this box. One of the main things I wanted to know was, are they all the same? For example, if you wanted to buy 2 of the $45 box, would they both end up being the same? And they said that they are pretty randomized, so they don't make all of the boxes the exact same, and they try their best to give a variety of products to anybody who orders multiple boxes, but they can't guarantee there will be no doubles. But overall, I just felt like it was good to know that they're not all the exact same box. So if you did want to pick up a couple of these, you may end up with doubles. You can always just gift them out to a friend, but you're not going to get the exact same boxes over and over again. Now, this Spring of Life highlighter is the only product in my box that I'm not going to be using in the video. Personally, I don't really see myself wearing a blue highlighter very often, outside of some very specific occasions, probably very costumey occasions. That's not going to be really my go-to, but I do think that those highlighters are so beautiful. I would love to wear that blue highlighter as an eyeshadow. It would work beautifully as like a little topper shade or just an all over the lid, very ethereal type of eyeshadow look, and I can see it pairing really well with this mini palette that it did come with in this mystery box. I'm going for a very warm, toasty, almost fall time type of look for today's video, but I could have easily gone more with that mauvey matte shade and the metallic blue in here, and then used that highlighter as a sort of topper or an inner corner highlight. for a completely different look. And there's also a highlighter palette that came in this mystery box. So I think that these products can be mixed and matched together to create a variety of different looks. I like that it seems like they thought about how the products would work together and how they could be worn together so that it's not just this big mishmash of random, air quotes, unwanted products, but it really feels like a curated selection to me. I know some of the highlight shades seem a little out of the comfort zone. I mean, they definitely are for me too, but I'm also getting some of my favorites from the brand in here as well, so it's definitely a fun mix of things that are in my comfort zone, like the lipstick, which was actually in my top 10 recommendations for the Oden's Eye brand, and this mini palette, which is one of my favorites from their smaller eyeshadow palettes. And then these highlighters are a little bit more out of my comfort zone, so it feels like a great mixture for me, and I'm sure that a lot of you would feel the same way. Because there's such a variety of types of products, textures, shades, I can see a whole lot of different types of looks coming from just this little curated set of 4 products, depending on how you switched up, layered, and combined these different products. You can get so many different looks. The value of the box itself is just so phenomenally good, and they're giving free shipping, they're applying coupon codes. I do think this is a great way to snag some really fun, interesting new products, whether you are well versed in the Oden's Eye brand or a completely new customer. I feel like I came out with a very autumnal type of look, which I'm not at all upset about because fall is my favorite season and I want to look autumnal all year round, even in the spring. Also, I kind of think the idea of seasonal makeup is somewhat outdated now. I really feel like you should just wear whatever colors you like whenever you want to. The world's already a tough enough place as it is, so wear whatever eyeshadow you want. Who cares what month it is? But, you know, there is something to be said. Personally, I love wearing looks like this in the fall as well, and I definitely lean into that fall aesthetic in the fall time because it's my happy place. But, you know, I could have some of that joy anytime. If you are considering placing an order, especially if it's your first time from the brand, which I think that these mystery boxes would be a great way to get introduced to the brand, because just value-wise, these boxes are such a phenomenal deal. I do have an Oden's Eye favorites video on my channel, which I'll link down in the description box for you. If you want to check that out, if you want to hear some more about the brand, I definitely recommend checking out that video. That video was published before the Hella palette came out. I also highly recommend the Hella palette. It's one of my favorites. It has some great spring colors too, and I do have a full video review on that palette as well, so I will link both of those videos in the description box. If you're thinking of venturing into Oden's Eye for the first time, highly recommend you check out those videos as well. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about these mystery boxes. Are you interested in these? Are you going to pick one up? Do you have any of these products? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, I forgot that part. Shoot. Oh, okay, I'll add it in a second. Just one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Where was she going with that? No one knows. Okay, take that part. Nailed it. By the way, shameless plug, if you are wondering where my earrings are from, I made them. They're in my Etsy shop, and there is one pair left for sale. If you want to be earring twins with me, I do have one pair left, and I have a whole bunch of other stuff that I think is really cute that's for sale on my Etsy shop. So if you want to go check that out, it's always linked in my description. And thank you, and you're awesome. Okay, back to my face. Okay, you may be seeing some more voiceovers than usual because we're having a bunch of work done on our house and it's just going to be kind of loud and chaotic, and I still have to make YouTube videos. I still want to and have to. So, you know, we're just going to do what we have to adjust. We made it through my entire family being in this house all together for well over a year, so we can make it through this. I'm pretty well convinced of that. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and if you didn't, then I hope that tomorrow's better. And it's okay, sometimes just have an off day, have a bad day. That's normal. You're alright, you're doing well. And I love your face. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.